Electric vehicles have become more than just cars. They're a movement, and to many, a new way of life. They have created a culture, community, and conversation around not just vehicles, but the change in sustainable living. As EVs become more commonplace, drivers are learning of the undeniable benefits, such as cost competitiveness, heightened convenience, and streamlined maintenance, accompanied by amplified fuel savings. But they're also learning that the adoption of EVs create wider scale benefits, such as job growth, innovation, technological advancements, and lower emissions. The current trajectory of EV sales leaves no doubt that the auto industry has been revolutionized by electric innovation. In 2022 alone, more than 10 million EVs were sold worldwide, and Blink just finished our best quarter yet. As more drivers make the switch to electric vehicles, Blink is leading the charge with easy-to-use Level 2 and DC fast charging stations to help make charging your EV easy and convenient. There is no doubt the market is here, the market is now, and it's electric.